Guys, guess what I just got donated? I got donated 89 Omega crates, 15 Omega Trail crates, and 15 times Omega. I don't know what these are. I think these are just skins. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. So, let me go to tools. Oh no, not here, not here. I just wanted to show you guys something. So, we go to cosmetics. One of these hat crates costs us 2 million. I can only buy 12 of these. Like, 1, 2, 3. Wait, no, I think I can only buy, yeah, I can only buy 6 of these. It's insane. So, I don't know how this guy had tons of these. So, today I'm going to be opening all the crates he gave me. Also, this other girl donated me some. So the guy donated me the Omega hat crates. The girl donated me these two, but I bought these two normally. So I'm gonna open these right now. The ones I bought. I bought these a long time ago, so I just opened them right now. Okay. Oh, okay. So I opened one hat crate he gave me, and I already got a mythical, an oof head. So that's really good. What if you just got like full mythical? That would be insane. Unique accessory crate. I have this 2024. I still have one rebirth, but they fell when the sand or the block where it respawned basically. I don't know how to say it. Okay, let's start opening these. I'm gonna start with these because I think these are skins. Because I'm more excited for the hats than the skins. So I'll do those last. The best last. What the heck? I just saw a guy's face. Green scales. Nicolas Cage, what the frick? Okay, I got Pug Life, that's good. Who's Lamb Sauce? I don't know who that is. It's weird. I also was gonna do rebirth after this, but I don't know if you lose crates, because when you rebirth it only says you don't lose hats and stuff. But I'm opening these before I rebirth because I'm so close to rebirthing second time. I have 14,000. It's 20,000. And I don't want to rebirth yet because I'm scared I'm going to lose the crates. If you guys want to see, I can do this another time too because the guy that gave me these stuff, the hats, said, because he had 1,000 of these crates. I don't know if he was hacking or something. Probably didn't because he had like 6 rebirths, so he was probably really rich. So he texted me on Roblox, told me, text me if you want more. And I said, okay. Because I friend requested him. Well, he sent it to me. That's Gordon Ramsay. I don't know. Okay, Sapphire, that's good. I don't have Skip, because this is for Robux, and I don't have Robux right now. I would probably do it to go really fast, but I don't have any right now. Wait, are these the same? Oh no, these are trail crates. Okay, I might clip these after the video. Okay, Pink Nebula. I'm really excited for the hat crates. Okay, I might delete this right here. Where's it? Okay, I'll do it later. Just kidding, I'll leave it. I'll probably give it to some starter kit people. Because I don't want a face to be in my inventory. Okay, I got Twirly Twirly. Oh wait, is that a mythic? I think it is. I don't know. I don't know. I think it like changes colors when it's mythic. I don't know. Pink Nebula. Sorry if the audio is bad, cause the last video I watched it and I couldn't hear myself much. It looked like I was saying random words. Cause you could understand me kind of, but sometimes it sounds like, even if you put captions on, it says random stuff, like weird stuff. Cause it doesn't understand me, so it messed up. I'm already in, oh no, I got one of these things. Oh wow. Okay, I already got a Dominic Crown. Great. I'm gonna show great. Donuts. Okay. Oh, that's a good one. Pixelated rainbow. Why do I keep doing that? Ooh, Venom. Okay. Oh, I think that one was mythic. Okay, unicorn. Lamp sauce. Okay, that's literally the last one I got. Oh my gosh. 2 faces. Okay. I'm excited for these because one of them I saw a Dominus when I was off camera. I don't know why the hat crates you have to go back to them. The other ones you don't. Okay, golden hair. Whatever. Black and red. Oh my gosh. What am I getting? Oh yeah, I can use that. Okay. Oh, see, I saw that Dominus. Saw a blue Dominus. Ooh, okay, that's a good one. Fallen Federation. I already have golden headphones in my way over there. Hope I don't get seconds if they're legendary or mythic. Cinnamon hair. I have that already. Still have 80 more. Okay, I saw Dominus over there. Beautiful blonde hair. Okay. Oh wow, I got a common. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, it's next to a mythic. Okay, okay. Oh my god. I feel like that would be the best mythic because it looks like a common, but it'll be a mythic. Okay, I gotta get closer to this computer. Okay, got emerald headphones, not bad. Dominus Messer, you see that? Oh, Gladiator. Okay, I think I already got one of those. Get me a mythic, please. Water Wings, ooh. Okay, so I did ask the guy that gave me this if he could trade me some wings. He had like tons, but he said he didn't want to, but he did give me the crates because he probably felt bad for me. So he did give me the crates, but he didn't give me wings. That's what I really want. I hope I get wings. I don't think I feel like you could get wings easily in the Robux ones. Wait, you know what I'm gonna do? Let's go to the shop. I gotta do something. Probably be crazy just wasting all my money on this. Let's go. Okay, let's buy that. I might be doing a stupid decision here, but I feel like I'm pretty sure these could easily get you wings or a Dominus. I feel like, but I'm pretty sure it gives you wings mostly. Okay, there's no wings here. I got that weird thing. Okay, what? Oh, so was it full mythic? I mean, yeah, probably. Okay, this is what I wanted. Okay, this is what I wanted. Remember? Wait, let me just collect this so I can see if I can buy another one. No, I'm not looking at your quest. Get this. There's a pink one over here. Let's go get it. Mostly trying to go after the pink ones. Okay, so this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. So it could give me orb value, cause now I sell stuff for more money. Probably gotta go faster. Duke Federation, okay. Okay guys, I think I'm wasting your time here just watching, so I'm gonna keep skipping till I get like good stuff. Okay guys, so I'm at 30 chests now, crates, and I still haven't gotten a mythic yet. So I'm having bad luck. I haven't even got it. The only mythic I've gotten for this is the Oofhead, and I bought that with Rebirth coins. I have 20 left. If I got another Oofhead, that'd be good. Okay, guys, so this is the second one I got from here. I got a Sparkletime Valkyrie. I don't know how to pronounce that. Increase mining power by 350, or value by 1.4. Okay, I'm getting kind of luckier at the end. Let's see if I get another good one. Guys, we just got bacon here. This is like the best one. Probably not the best power, but it looks the best. That's the one. That's what I mean. It looks the best. That's what I mean. Okay, so increase mining speed by 1.5 or value by 1.4. Okay, it's actually good because it has mining speed, and lots of the one I got only had 2 buffs. This one has 3 buffs, so that's really good. So okay, I'm gonna open these last 12 on camera right now. I feel like I'm getting lucky at, like at the end. I want to equip everything I got, like the trails, the skins. See how cool I look. I saw some Dominuses. No, I saw like 3 Dominuses. I didn't get any of them. Is this was that mythic? I don't think so. Okay, last 6. Electric Dominus. Ah, dang it. What happened? Guys, I hope you guys like my new look. So, I hope you like the video. And you guys should hit that bell so you guys never miss a video from me. I post like daily now, or like probably I'll post like 2 times a week maybe, or like a lot more than that. I don't know, but